Welcome to Leko Academy. This is Mr. Kavika. So today we are exploring arithmetic progression, AP, a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is obtained by adding a fixed constant number to the previous term. Now here the statement says, for the sequence 4, 7, 10 and 13, find the common difference. So these are the terms that we have in our sequence, and the first question says we find the common difference. Now to find the difference between given figures, we just subtract the two figures. So here we have 4, 7, 10, 13. So this 4 is considered to be the first term, and this 7, this is the second term. This 10, this is the third term, and this 13, this is the fourth term. Now when finding the common difference, so for number 1, to find the common difference, we can subtract the first term from the second, or the second term from the third term, just like that. So common difference, we are going to subtract. So we have the second term minus the first term. So we subtract the first term from the second term, and our second term, this is 7. Our first term, this is 4. So 7 minus 4, this is giving us 3. So this is the common difference, or the fixed constant, or third term minus second term. So our third term, this is 10. Our second term, this is 7. So 10 minus 7, this is 3. So our common difference, that is 3. So for number 1, Roman numeral 1, common difference is equal to 3. So the second question, they're saying find the 7th term. Now to find the 7th term, we have missing numbers in between the 4th term and the 7th term. So the missing numbers, we have the 5th term and also the 6th term. So to find the 7th term, we need to find these terms. As I said, we are adding 3 to the previous term. So the previous term, this is 13. So 13 plus 3, this is going to be 16. So 16 plus this 3, this is going to be 19. 19 plus this 3, this is 22. So the 7th term, it is 22. So Roman numeral 2, 7th term is equal to 22. Now in a case where you have been given to find the 20th term, for you to add from the 4th term up to 20th term, it can be a process. There is a formula to apply where we say nth term is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. The d is the common difference, n, this is the number of terms, and a, this is the first term. So to apply this formula to find the 7th term, so here on nth term we are putting the 7th term is equal to our a, this is the 4, which is the first term, plus the number of terms, this is 7 minus 1, and d, this is the common difference, which is 3. So here we have 4 plus, we start with these that are inside the brackets. So 7 minus 1, this is 6. 6 multiplied by 3, this is 18. So 4 plus 18, this is 22. So this is the formula we use when finding the nth term. Either you add the constant number to the previous term until you reach to the term that you are finding, or you just go direct using this formula and plug the figures here in the formula. So Roman numeral 3, to find the nth term, we are still applying the same formula. So number 3, nth term is equal to the first term, this is 4. As I said, A represents the first term. So this is 4 plus the number of terms, this is n, minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, this is 3. So nth term therefore is equal to, this is 4 plus, now since we cannot subtract n minus 1, we can just go direct by distributing this 3 here. So 3 multiplied by n, this is 3n. 3 multiplied by negative 1, this is negative 3. We can now group the like terms. So 4 and this is negative 3 plus 3n. 4 minus 3, this is 1. 1 plus 3n. So this is our nth term. So you can also write it as a nth term is equal to 3n plus 1. It is just the same. So Roman numeral 3, nth term is equal to 3n plus 1. This is our expression there. So when finding the nth term, we are finding the expression. Roman numeral 4, the sum of the first 12 terms. So to find the sum of the first 12 terms, you can add all the 12 terms. Now here we have the terms up to 7. Now the easiest way, or the formula that we can apply to find the sum of the first 12 terms, we can apply this formula here. So the sum of numbers is equal to n over 2, 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 multiplied by d. So this is the formula that we apply when finding the sum of terms. Now here the n, on the n here we are putting 12. So sum of 12 terms is equal to any, this is 12, the number of terms, divided by 2, 2 multiplied by, so a, which is the first term, this is 4, plus any is the number of terms. So the number of terms that we are summing, it is 12. So this is 12 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, this is 3. So S12 is equal to this 2 into 12, this is 6. 2 multiplied by 4, this is 8, plus 12 minus 1, this is giving us 11. And 11 multiplied by 3, this is 33. So 6, 8 plus 33, this is 41. Now when you multiply 6 by 41, this is 246. So this is the sum of the first 12 terms. So our sum here for number 4, sum of first 12 terms is equal to 46. So this is how we handle questions under arithmetic progression AP. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more questions on arithmetic progression.